Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I've shown you guys a cute project. If you guys haven't done so, any of you are new to the channel, I would love for you guys to go on over, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you guys know when I upload another awesome video. Also, if you guys are my regulars, you guys know that I am remodeling my house and it's taking forever because we are doing everything ourselves. So I'll put the link down below in the description box about what we've done to the house and things we're doing. So on that being said, I cannot be inside recording because it's so noisy in there, but let's get started, guys. So this project, as you guys can tell by title, is I'm taking Dollar Tree decorations and repurposing them so they could be the cutest little decorations I saw online. The ones I saw online, I think, were like $19.99 for the set, and of course I thought that was so much money because they were literally this size. I did purchase these from the Dollar Tree, and every Dollar Tree is different, so just look for your local Dollar Tree. So I spent $3 to get 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint them white, and then I'm going to let them dry. Once I let them dry, I'm going to go ahead and put moss podge on it, and then you guys will see why. But the spray paint I use is this. It's 2 times the ultra cover, and it's obviously white in a satin. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint these. These are like kind of like glassy, so it should be easy to spray paint. Okay guys, so once I spray paint them, I'm going to let them dry, completely dry, and then if I miss a spot, then I'm going to come back and spray paint again, and then I'll show you guys what we're going to do next. So after they're completely dry, I bring them in. I'm going to add some Mod Podge, and the reason I do that is just so the vinyl can stick better. So this is the Mod Podge I'm going to use. It does have a little shine to it, and then after that I will show you what we're going to do next. So now I'm going into the stickers, and what the font I use is called Kaiden. I believe that's how you say it. And then the size I used was almost like a 3x1. And I did thankful, blessed, and grateful. And yes, I know grateful is misspelled. I did catch myself before actually sticking it onto the pumpkin. So after I weed them and get them ready, they do have already the transfer paper on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the transfer paper and stick them onto the pumpkin. I didn't measure, I just eyeballed it. So I don't have a measurement for that, but they do come out cute, I promise. look once you are done. And now that you're done and have the letters or the words stick on, I'm going to add another layer of Podge, and this is just so they can really stick on there and they don't start peeling off. So we do want to apply a little bit thicker than you did when you first applied it. So now we're going to add the bow, and to add the bows, I'm just going to make a simple bow. I'm just going to tie it, and I'm going to do this 3 times. I do want the tails of the bones to be long. I do want them to go kind of like full of the full length of the pumpkin. So 3 of these with long tails. So now I'm going to get my bow, and I'm just going to simply hot glue it to the stem of the pumpkin, and it should look something like this. And this is your end result, guys. I really hope you enjoy these. From simple orange pumpkins to the white decor pumpkin, the farmhouse touch. Simply in love with this, guys. I hope that you guys will try this out. And remember, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I will definitely see you in the next video.